This lesson is going to be different. I'm not going to even tell you what we're going to be shooting. That way you are compelled to learn and follow me. Get yourself a knife. The shinier, the newer, the better it is. It doesn't really need to be clean. And then get yourself a stool like this, or a small table. Cut yourself lemon wedges. And this is kefir lime. In Malaysia we call this limau purut. Put one or two, put one at the front, put one at the back. Cut up a few more wedges of lemon. Get yourself a spray bottle. Wet it like hell. Put this knife here. Let's set up the light. Light number 1, aim to the wall behind the stool that we have. This is about 1 meter. The power I'm going to use is about 1/4, 1/4 with a zoom of 24 with the radio trigger aimed here. The stool is right in the middle. We're going to have another flash here, aim at the same spot, slightly away from the same spot. This will ensure that we get a white wall, 1/4. If by now you still couldn't figure that out, that we want to get a white wall, then you might want to watch these episodes here. How to get a white wall. And these episodes actually teach you how you can get a pure Hexa F white wall. And then finally, set a camera on a tripod like this. This is a macro lens. You can use any lens that you want. And if you swing this away, you notice that I've got a radio trigger transmitter that's going to trigger the 2 flashes there. So let me show you what happens. Strike. There you go. It just goes off. Look at the illumination pattern that we have on the wall. That's really important when you set up flash. Yeah, you can't see it on the video, so don't bother. But in real life, you can actually see the illumination pattern. It tells you where the light falls. That's pretty good. With that said, I'm going to go through the camera settings with you. ISO of 200, f8, and then my shutter speed is at 1/200. This, what we're going to learn today, ties in with flash freezes motion. And speaking of flash freezing motion, exciting news! We now have the YouTube exclusive member available on our YouTube channel here, which means that you can subscribe and enjoy exclusive video lessons only for member. You can also be submitting photos and questions to me, and we're going to do live stream Q&As, CNC on those photos, and you can also enjoy live stream of me shooting live, one-to-one. We're going to be shooting amazing stuff together. And speaking about video lessons exclusive for our members, if you sign up now, you'll be able to enjoy 4 lessons as we speak now. In one of the videos, Demi and I show you how you can be freezing motion like this with shutter speed as low as 1/100 just using your flashlight and get amazing shots like this. And in the second tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can avoid ugly shadows on the wall, making them look very subtle and at the same time completely taking away the shadows, even though your subjects are standing so close to the wall. And then you're gonna get an exclusive video lesson now as a member, showing you how you can shoot in tight and messy places and still get amazing portraits like this. And finally, you learn how to shoot products and still life, which are black in color, etched against a completely black backdrop, and still get stunning shots like this, all by using just one light and a cardboard. So hurry, support us now. Join our YouTube exclusive member. And don't you worry, we'll still be uploading free video tutorials on our YouTube channel on a regular and weekly basis. What we're going to learn today ties in with flash freezes motion. And flash freezes motion way much better than shutter speed. So your shutter speed can be at 1/100. We don't really care. So ISO 200, f8, shutter speed below 200 because we are on remote flash. And then take exactly behind this. This is a technique that I must share with you. You have a light stand here. Notice that how I orientate that light stand, which is always having 3 legs. 2 here and 1 there. So this light stand can be exactly just on top of this camera with a softbox. You don't need to have a monoblock. You can just put any softbox there. So you notice this? Done. That's it. I have a monoblock here. Don't even ask what's the power. I'm not even sure. It says 500 watt per second, which I don't believe. I've got the power down really low. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly take a shot here and look at the exposure of all this here. It looks perfect. The wall is white. It doesn't look like a stool. And I've got these lemons and hang on. I've got to do one more thing. I've got to make this stand to see if the reflection, don't drop the knife and sever your toes off, okay? Just to see the specularity and the highlight on the knife. Perfect, good. And then now, you only need, put this down before you hurt yourself. You only need one helpful friend. I'm gonna call mine. Michelle!
What do you want?
Go squat down there.
Right.
Click the camera when I say 3.
Okay.
Okay. I want you to focus on my knife first, Michelle.
Alright.
Remember these lemon wedges? Here's an important note. Don't take too many. If you got a lemon here and a cafe lime there, just take 1 lemon and then take 1 cafe lime. Are you ready?
Yes.
So when you press that, when I say 1, 2, 3, you got it?
Okay.
Right, this flash is gonna light me up. Those 2 flashes is gonna light up the wall. And 1, 2, 3. And that's what you're gonna get with the shots. Perceived motion. So it looks like the knife is slicing through the lemon and the cafe lime. So I want you to try this at home. You're gonna get perceived motion. So it's the lemon wedges and the cafe lime bouncing off the table, makes it look like you do a wacha fast chop on them. You're probably wondering why I wet the lemon wedges. Well, when you throw them with the splashes and all, it looks like the lemons are really juicy. So it makes the shot looks realistic. And here's the thing, we have attempted a few tries after that, and it's not always you get lucky shots. But whatever it is, go get yourself a good friend, time this. If you're one of those person that can throw a lemon, hold a knife, and then use your mouth to click the camera, then you may even do this on your own. So take your versions of perceived motion. I look forward to see your photos. Hey, hang on, how did they share? You know what? I'm gonna build a page for all our YouTube exclusive members. You can go there, submit your photos. If you're an exclusive member, you can submit your photos. I look forward to see your photos. So if you want me to see your photos, email them to me. I look forward to do a live stream with you soon. And speaking of live stream, I'm happy to announce that on the 28th of January, which is a Thursday, 10 a.m. plus 8 GMT, check out the time of your various location right here. We're gonna be doing a free live stream session where you can submit photos to me, submit your questions, I'll do them live and I'll answer them live, and showing you also how you can use light and shadow to craft amazing shots. So I look forward to have you joining us in these free live stream sessions on YouTube here. Yes, it's live, it's available for public. So this live stream is just 1 hour and I hope you're gonna be enjoying yourself, and I look forward to see all of you joining me.